What's up, family? Welcome to the channel, Rhythm Life. You know where we're at. Always like, subscribe, comment, leave comments, tell us what you think, you know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna go over my Fast and Furious 124 scale collection. I went down this rabbit hole a couple weeks ago, and it took me roughly 2.5 weeks with the help of one of my buddies to find all these cars. He went all across Georgia, and I was all through Florida, mainly in the Orlando area, looking at flea markets and stuff, trying to find these cars. The last three we actually found that we couldn't find in all these places, we found on Amazon. So, from what I've seen, that's available from Jada. That's one of the big toy companies for a lot of these cars. There are 60 cars from this, as far as the 124 scales that I found. And if you know about some other ones I'm missing after you look at the video to see the cars in my collection, let me know. I'll go looking for them. But the only one that I know of that I do not have, because I didn't really care about it, was the big flatbed tow truck that they used to pull the 10-second beat up car in episode, in the first movie, that he had to owe Dom Brian had to owe Dom the 10-second car. So that flatbed is about the only one, and I didn't really care because looking at the video clip and looking at the actual toy, they didn't really match. They never show what was on the door of the car, so there's like 3 versions of this truck. So I didn't feel that it was important. So all these other cars I did find, and then I found a guy in Canada who, I'll do an update video once I do get these cars. He hand makes some of the other classic cars that I'd like to get, which was the Mona Lisa from Tokyo Drift, the S15. And then there was an Evo 8 that Sean drove on the beach that he was learning how to drift. So those 2 cars he hand makes. He also makes the 10-second Supra, but I don't know if I really need that. So anyway, these are the 59 cars. I'm gonna put them on the little spinner and y'all can check them out. If I'm missing something that you know of is available in the 124 scale, even if it isn't Jada, let me know. I'd love to see it, check it out, whatever. Send it to me in the to my email, whatever, or just leave it in the comment, whatever. But always like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let's go. And let other people know about the channel, all right?
Rhythm Life on the beat. Rhythm life on the beat. Rhythm life on the beat. Rhythm life on the beat.
But I don't know if I'll make it back home. Oh, but I don't know if I'll make it back home. Oh, but I don't know if I'll make it back home. Oh, but I don't know if I'll make it back